Want to download videos from the internet quickly and efficiently? FFmpeg is one of the most powerful tools for handling video, and today I'll show you exactly how to use it to download videos in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, you need to make sure FFmpeg is installed on your computer. If not, check out the video in the description on how to install it. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Next, you need the direct URL of the video you want to download. You can right-click the video and copy the link. For other sites, inspect the page, use Ctrl plus Shift plus the I key, and look for the video source in the Network tab. Figure out how to get the URL. Once you have the video link, you can use the following command. The I is the input, URL C tells FFmpeg to copy the video and audio without re-encoding output. .mp4 is your saved video file. Now let's download the video. By default, the video will be saved in the same directory where you're running the command. In my case, that's the System32 folder, which isn't ideal, so make sure to switch to a different directory or specify a full file path to save your videos in a proper location. Once done, head to your output folder and you'll see the downloaded MP4 file. You can play it in any media player like VLC. And that's it. You just learned how to download videos using FFmpeg. Super simple and super powerful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tech tutorials.